All right. Hey kiddos, it's Mrs. Prim going to read aloud Can I Be Your Dog by Troy Cummings. Dear people at Yellow House, woof! Can I be your dog? I am potty trained and I have my own squeaky bone. Also, I love to play. I see you have a cat, but I'm willing to work with you. Who's a good dog? I am. Sincerely, Arfie. P.S. I know every house on Butternut Street, but I asked you first. Dear Arfie, we're so sorry, but you cannot be our dog. Our cat is, allergic to dogs. Good luck in your search. The Honeywells. Dear Butcher Lady, can I be your dog? I think your butcher shop would be a great place for a puppy like me. I could keep the floor nice and clean. Arfie. Look, pal, I've got a bone to pick with you. Last time I let a dog into my shop, a dozen meatballs went missing. Sorry, but there's no way I'm taking in a pooch. Veronica Schenk, Butcher. P.S. No hard feelings. Enjoy these dried giblets and good luck finding a home. Yum, yum, yum. Dear Fire Station Number 5, can I be your dog? I can fetch your boots. Plus, let's just say I know my way around a fire hydrant. I've sniffed out every single one on Butternut Street, and yours is the shiniest. Arfie. Do you think they're going to say yes? I wonder. Here, I wonder what the fire station people are going to say. So I'm going to put a little thinking mark here because I do wonder. Whoop, let's see. It says Butternut Street Fire Station. Dear applicant, thank you for your interest in working with the Butternut Street Fire Station. Unfortunately, the position of fire dog has already been filled. We will keep your letter on file. Best wishes in your search. Station number 5. Look at what Arfie is doing over here. That is pretty funny. Looks like he doesn't care much for their letter. Dear Junkyard Guy, I'm not gonna lie. You're my next to last choice. But these past few days have been rough. Rough. So, please, can I be your dog? I don't eat much, and I can bark if people try to take your junk and stuff. Hopefully yours, Arfie. Look at that guy's face. I don't know if he would be the best owner for Arfie. Look at her face. What is she thinking? Dear Mutt, get lost. Oh. Dear Last House on Butternut Street, can I be your dog? I see that your yard is full of weeds and your windows are broken and there's a funny smell, but I'm not picky, just lonely. Arfie. Aww, that makes Mrs. Prim sad. Hope we're all doing our thinking marks as we're reading. Oops, what's this say? Arfie, soggy box in the alley. Oh, that's his address. Last house on Butternut Street. Return to sender. Nobody at this address. Ow! Aww. Oh, what's this? Oh, I'm wondering what this is about. Wonder who that's going to be from. To Arfie. Dear Arfie, can I be your person? I need a friend who will be with me no matter what. Snow, rain, heat, or gloom of night. And I see that you already know everyone on Butternut Street. I know you'll make a first-class partner. With hugs and head scratches, Mitzi Whipple, letter carrier. P.S. If you agree, meet me at the blue mailbox. Whoops. Do you think Arfie's gonna meet her? Let's see. Aww. I wonder what Arfie's thinking and feeling right here. Looks like he's pretty happy. Dear Mitzi, you know what? My tail has been wagging ever since I got your note. My answer is yes. Truly yours, Arfie. P.S. Woof. Scratch, scratch. Aww. That makes me happy. Let's see, where should I put that? Let's put that right there. Oh, there's a little bit of information here too. Let's see what it says. Here's how you can help a homeless animal. Adopt a shelter animal instead of buying a pet. Volunteer at a shelter or a pet adoptions event. Spay or neuter your pet so there will be fewer fur babies to find a home for. Donate to your local animal shelter or a national animal advocacy groups such as the American Society for the Prevention of Cruelty to Animals, the ASPCA.org, or the Humane Society, and it says humanesociety.org. Extend a helpful paw so all of our animal friends can find forever homes. That's from Arfie. There you go. I wonder what your favorite part of the story was. If you want to draw a picture of your favorite part and write about it, you're welcome to do that and share it on Seesaw. Talk to you guys soon. Bye.